Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth, and in this quick video we're going to show you how to top up the system pressure or radiator water on your Worcester Combi Boiler. Now this video is for the older style Worcester Combis that had the white filling link key that looks like this. First thing you need to do is find the key. Sometimes people very helpfully leave it installed in the bottom of the boiler like this. This isn't recommended, but it can certainly make your life easier if you're looking to fill up the boiler. The primary reason we don't want the key left in is because it can be very easily become broken, or it can let water into the system when you don't want it to, and that will lead to a different problem. Anywho, if the key isn't in the boiler, it will probably be in the white plastic case on the underside of the boiler. Find the key and we can begin. Now the keys can be unnecessarily frustrating, so frustrating to get in. So let's begin quickly by having a look at how we can insert the key into the filling link. Here's the filling link up close. Yours will look like this. The key has two ears on the sides, here and here, which want to lock into the housing for it. Here. To do this, simply turn the key to roughly a 30-degree angle, inserting it in line with the unlock symbol on the front of the filling link, like this. Push the key in and up until you feel and hear it engage twice. There's one, there's two. If you've done it right, it will only rotate between the locked and unlocked position on the front of the link. If it rotates freely, full circle, it has not engaged at the top. You'll need to take it out and try again. Next, you want to leave the key in the unlocked position and turn the white plastic square you'll find on the left in a clockwise position. Whilst you're doing this, please make sure to keep an eye on the pressure gauge on the front of the boiler to make sure you don't go too high. Hear water coming into the system, and then make sure that needle does not go above the number 1. Once you have reached the right pressure, close the plastic key by turning it anti-clockwise until you hear the water stop, and then you want to go bleed radiators. Using your bleed key, take any air out of the system that might be in there, and once you've bled the radiators, check the system pressure to make sure you're still okay. If the black needle has gone down below the 1, repeat the process of topping up the pressure to bring it back to the 1, which is where you'd like it to be when the system is cold. Once you've completed the process, making sure that this is in the fully closed position, you want to remove the key and put it back where you found it. When you take it out, if water comes with it, do not be concerned. It's reasonably normal to get a small dropout when you take out the key. A bit like that. Well done for topping up the system pressure on your Worcester boiler, guys. Good job. The reason we want water to be inside the boiler and to make sure that the black needle is in line with the number 1 or there or thereabouts is to stop the boiler from overheating and to prolong its life. Well done for topping up the boiler and bleeding your radiators, guys. You're winter ready and you should have hot water again. Now, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to hit subscribe to help us grow our channel and help more people across the UK.